Microsoft is intending to improve the manner in which you reset or invigorate a Windows 10 PC. The organization has uncovered it's trying another cloud download include for resetting Windows 10 when equipment falls flat or the OS needs reinstalling. While the element isn't accessible for open testing presently, it will show up on gadgets when you boot the machine in a bombed state. This will probably be like the manner in which Apple handles macOS reinstalls, with the alternative to reinstall macOS by downloading the duplicate from the cloud. Microsoft has really been utilizing a comparative component for its Surface lineup as of late, enabling the gadgets to recoup from the cloud by downloading the duplicate of Windows 10 and reinstalling it. Existing help instruments for Windows from workstations like Dell, Asus, HP, and all the more normally include the duplicate of the OS on a parcel piece of the drive or outsider devices to re-establish from the cloud or a USB key. Microsoft seems, by all accounts, to be tending to the wide range of ways you can recoup from issues on numerous workstations, and ideally gives a simple strategy to anybody to utilize. This element will probably be key for Microsoft's Windows Lite and Windows Core OS WCO's endeavors. Microsoft is making a rearranged and Chrome OS-like rendition of Windows 10. And having the option to re-establish that to gadgets without connecting the USB gadget could be key for a portion of the equipment that will run Windows Lite. Microsoft will likewise need to guarantee it has the full help of OEMs and extremely significant drivers for this to function admirably, however. So hope to see this element take off step by step to machines once it's even prepared for testing.